2 hours or he came within 2 hours? What's the difference? What's the difference between in and within when we talk about time? What's the difference? I just said New York. We use in or within to give a period of time as a deadline. In plus period of time means that exact period of time, not before. Within plus period of time means before that period of time, any time before that deadline. Let me explain more. If it's now 1 p.m. and I tell you I will be there in 2 hours, it means I will probably be there at 3 p.m., maybe a bit before. So don't expect me before that. If I say I will be there within 2 hours, it means I will be there before 3. Expect me at that deadline or any time before that deadline. It's that simple. We use in when we want to be exact. We use within when we don't want to be exact. When we don't want to promise an exact time. We want to give ourselves flexibility, or simply we don't know how long something takes. But remember, both of them are deadlines, so it's never after. Let me give you another example. We're in 2022. If I say the prices will likely increase in 3 years, so that means they will probably increase in 2025. If I say the prices will increase within 3 years, and we're still in 2022, so that means the prices will increase before 2025. So this means maybe next month, maybe in 2023, maybe in 2024, maybe a bit before 2025. So it's before 2025. It's now 9 a.m. I will return the car in 4 hours, expected at 1 p.m. Not before. I will return the car within 4 hours. I will give you the car before 1 p.m. Don't worry. I can finish the task in 30 minutes. It means I need 30 minutes. I can finish the task within 30 minutes. It means I need probably less than 30 minutes. But give me 30 minutes just to be on the safe side. There you go. I hope the variety of examples made it clearer for you. If you still have any questions for me, please to ask them in the comments section below. I read every question and personally answer them. Now you tell me, what's the difference between he came in 2 hours and he came within 2 hours? Now, it is now 4 p.m. and I want to say that the sun will be setting anytime between now and 7 p.m. I don't know, anytime between now and 7 p.m. Should I say the sun will set in 3 hours or within 3 hours? Write your answers in the comment section below and I will upload the answer very soon.